Let me shake his hand fast before he goes out. I kindly request a translator.
I can translate well. I will translate.
Bạn không có nhìn thương biếng này. Biếng nó đây này. Anh có khoa một thà Simba. Ông muốn kêu Simba Arati. Imole no magogo. Biếng nó. I'm happy to come and consult with the family here. Mheshimiwa Chira came to my home this morning at 8 a.m. and told me there's a mama at his ward who had passed away at 104 years old. And he was requesting governor to come. Governor had other engagements. And told me to come and receive the blessings from this family. Of living of 104 years. This family and the mama has really been blessed. I've seen she has great grandchildren of 147. When I grow old, I would want to become like her. Now, I'm not a politician. But because everybody is mentioning my name, please allow me to defend my husband. I start with Mheshimiwa Celestine. Mheshimiwa Celestine, I don't even know her. She says because she's in a position, I don't like her. I don't hate anyone. Also, I don't love anyone except Simba Arati. So if you fail, because you don't support Simba Arati, I don't like you, I agree with you 100%. Indeed, I cannot love you when you don't love my loved one. But I don't hate you because you are in opposition. Where I come from, there's no politics. What we want is service. Please, the leaders, let everybody do his work. Let people make choices the time of 2027. I'm a woman. Like any other woman. Mheshimiwa Osoro. Mheshimiwa Osoro was my friend. Today he came, he could not even say hi to me. But he used to come to my home in Nairobi. And he even called me the only UDA in Simba Arati's home. I need to joke with Mheshimiwa Osoro. I'm also supporting Ruto. So there is no hatred. I don't know what happened to Simba Arati did to him. I don't know if Simba took away Stella or Jen. I don't know if Simba Arati took away his Stella or Jen. Stella and with Mheshimiwa Osoro. If you want to hit Simba Arati, hit him with his work. Don't hit him because he has married a Chinese woman. You are also married. Governor governor has never said, Mheshimiwa Osoro, you're not married to a Kisi, you're married to a Kikuyu. You make me feel like I'm not a human. But now, today I'll shake your hand. From tomorrow, make sure don't criticize me. Because if you ask, I've done anything to him, I've done nothing. The only mistake I made in my life to Mheshimiwa Osoro was to marry Simba Arati. But I'm proud of marrying Simba Arati. See, kissing them makes the best husband.
Yes.
Now, allow me to finish my speech. I give the contribution from the governor so that I can go home and cook for the governor. But you know, I didn't hear how much Mheshimiwa Osoro gave.
Thank you very much, First Lady. Amesema ya kwamba hajajua mimi napeana pesa ngapi. You know, because you are not in politics, I may not compete with you. If Governor was here, I could have competed. But me, I usually give a substantial amount plus all these people I feed them. Not mine.
Asante Mheshimiwa, God bless you. Give back to the mic to my translator, please. I have 20,000 for the amachuma.
20,000 for the amachuma. Kwa